Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you this cable stitch. We call it a twist pattern also. You can see the back side, and this is not a reversible pattern. You can make with this pattern pullovers, sweaters and cardigans. This look very beautiful in cardigans. So let's start our video. For this pattern I'm using 4-ply wool. With this I'm using 6 number crochet, which is 3.5 mm. We will start to make a slip knot. Or you can start like this also. Okay, I'm making only one cable for this sample, so I'm making 11 chains, a cable of 6 chains and 4 chains for the side borders. And 11. Skip very first chain, and from the second chain start to make double crochet. And make double crochet in every chain or basic line of double crochet. Okay, we have 10 double crochets. Now chain 1 and turn over. Make 1 double crochet in first chain, and 1 more double crochet in the next chain. There are 2 double crochets border inside. Now after 2 double crochets, make 1 alpine stitch in 4th double crochet. I'm skipping 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In 4 double crochet I'm making 1 alpine stitch like this. 1 more alpine stitch in the next double crochet, and 1 more alpine stitch in the next double crochet like this. Now I'm making alpine stitch in the very first skipped chain like this. You have to make this pattern with a loose hand. And now in the next double crochet I'm making an alpine stitch, and the last third one skipped double crochet. It will look like this. And in last make 2 double crochets, continue as our side border. Now chain 1, turn over, make 2 double crochets, one more double crochet. Now we are making alpine stitch from the back side. One double crochet, second, and third. Now we have to make a alpine stitch from the back side in these double crochets also, like this. And the last, sixth one. Now make 2 double crochets for the side border. Chain 1 and turn over. Now 2 double crochet for the side border, and now repeat the same process to make this twist like our first round. Skip 3 chains, 1 2 3. In 4 make alpine stitch and 2 more alpine stitch. Continue. Total 3 I am making. And now it's time to make alpine stitch in the skipped double crochets. First alpine stitch, the second one. It's little hard to make alpine stitch in the skipped double crochets. Like this. Two double crochet for the side border. Now you can see the twist. Chain 1, turn over, 2 double crochets, now make 6 alpine stitch from the back side continuously. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and the last 6, and 2 double crochets for the side border. Chain 1 and turn over. repeat we will repeat the same process to make this cable. Okay, I have completed my 4 twists of 4 cable chains. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.